Let's get started. Log into your wecantrack account. From the left menu, open Data Sources, then click Affiliate Networks. In the search bar, type Partnerize. Click the Partnerize row to open it. Then click Create Account. Give your account a name you'll recognize later. Now you'll need your keys from Partnerize. Click the link to open your Partnerize account. On the Your Account page, click the eye next to User Application Key, verify, then copy it. Back in wecantrack, paste it into the User Application Key field. Back in Partnerize, click the eye next to User API Key, verify, then copy it. Paste it into the API Key field in wecantrack. Now, open your Partnerize Publisher settings and copy your Publisher ID. Paste your Publisher ID into wecantrack. Pick your time zone from the dropdown. For this demo, we'll choose UTC. For transaction level, choose Item Level, then click Create Account. And that's it. Your Partnerize account is now connected. Want to connect more networks? Check out our other integration guides.